Shubham. Not an institution, but a feeling. Shubham Charitable Association is not just an institution, nor merely an organization. Shubham is a feeling, a realization that reminds us that the responsibility for our lives, our families, our society, our nation, and our planet does not belong to someone else. It belongs to us. This realization was gifted to us by the revered Thakur Anukul Chandraji, whose love, sense of duty, and way of life silently connected millions of people to the service of humanity, without any publicity, without any display. Under the blessings and guidance of the present Acharya Dev of Satsang, which he founded, a quiet journey began in 1998 from the hills of Shillong, Meghalaya. Today, that journey is known as Shubham. This journey never stood on big stages, never made headlines, but it continued moving forward, steadily, in the rhythm of service. Through this selfless and silent service, hope has reached the lives of more than 3,000 women and children. This spirit of service even caught the attention of the highest leadership of the nation. During their visit to Meghalaya, Shubham's director, Mrs. Pushpa Bajaj Ji, along with her fellow sisters, had the opportunity to present this mission before the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable President of India. From there, Shubham received not only support, but invaluable guidance. Then came the difficult phase of COVID-19, a time when everyone was struggling for survival. During that period, the Shubham team took it upon themselves to protect clean water sources and to create dignified employment opportunities for rural women. Around the same time, the Umker River Cleaning Drive in Shillong was launched under the leadership of Padma Shri awardee Miss Patricia Mukim. Shubham joined this initiative. But during the cleaning process, one sight deeply shook us all. Thousands and thousands of sanitary pads floating in the river. Waste that does not decompose in soil nor dissolve in water, even after hundreds of years. That was when a bitter truth surfaced. A woman uses thousands of disposable pads in her lifetime. And this waste is slowly poisoning our water, our land, our environment. Our farms, our fields, our landfills are being contaminated by this dangerous menstrual waste. And that is when our sense of responsibility awakened. After deep reflection and discussion, the Zero Waste Period mission was born. The skilled sisters at Shubham's training centers shaped this solution. After extensive research, countless experiments, trials across 20 states, and feedback from thousands of women, a solution emerged: a safe, antibacterial, reusable sanitary pad, BIS certified, and completely safe for health. When this initiative reached the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Mr. Conrad Sangma, he extended his full support and personally inaugurated a women-run production unit at Katarshnong. Today, this mission has crossed the borders of Meghalaya and reached many states across the country. Where disposable pads are harming both health and the environment, Shubham's reusable pads are becoming a powerful symbol of safety, dignity, and savings. Now, the need is clear: to take these pads, made by rural sisters of Meghalaya, to every household. With this vision, Shubham moves forward with the resolve to reach every state, every district, every block of the country. Shubham's goal is not just to make pads, but to ensure that every woman has access to reusable pads. Through this initiative, rural sisters will gain employment in their own villages. Women users will save 100 or more every month. They will receive durable pads that last 2 to 3 years, and thousands of tons of menstrual waste will be prevented from polluting the environment. The benefits are multidimensional. Economic benefit through production, economic benefit through usage, and an invaluable contribution to environmental protection. We humbly request you all, come, let us take this movement forward together. Let us bring this solution to every woman. Let us free every village from period waste. Let us make every village healthy and clean, because cleanliness with employment is not just a facility, it is dignity. Thank you.